Workers' compensation is a system designed to protect injured workers, and if you're injured on the job, it's intended to provide that your medical bills will be paid in full and that you will receive a wage replacement check if you're unable to work. The first thing you should do if you're injured at work is report your injury immediately to your supervisor. The law actually requires that you report the injury within 21 days if you are to receive benefits from the date of injury. There's also a 120-day time period to report the injury, which after 120 days you may lose your rights to workers' compensation benefits altogether. So the sooner the better, and just make sure that you notify them of not only how you're injured, but that it was related to your job. That's very important. Typically, if you're injured on the job, your employer has a list of providers that you can choose from for medical treatment. And if you want workers' compensation to pay for those medical bills, you need to treat with one of those panel providers for the first 90 days after your injury. It's important to have legal advice in the area of workers' compensation. It can be very complex, and there's no fee to come in and talk to me, either on the phone or in person. And if I take your case, I would only get paid if we're successful in getting you benefits.